It's kind of cold out, but not for me up here, so sorry. Thank you guys. This means so much. You guys have incredible voices. Honestly, some of the best I've heard. Thank you for singing with me. It's lonely up here by myself. That's a great song. Can I see it again? Secondhand Sanity is my thing too. Can I take a picture? Incredible. So I have an old song. This is one of the first songs I ever wrote. And I did it in a weird tuning. It's all weird. If you guys know it, please sing along. Let's just have a good time. And if you don't know the words, just sing anything you want. I don't care. Because it's cold outside. It's cold outside. Right, like right now, it is cold outside. Show me the blankets that you're wrapped in, or the secrets. Because it's cold outside. It's cold outside. And your slow shaking fingertips show that you're scared like me. So let's pretend we're alone. And I know you may be scared, and I know we're unprepared, but I don't care. Tell me what makes you think that you are invincible. I can see it in your eyes that you're so sure. Please don't tell me that I'm the only one that's vulnerable. I was born to tell you I love you. Isn't that a song already? And it's true, I can't go on without you. Your smile makes me see clearer. If we can only see in the mirror what I see. And your slow shaking fingertips show that you're scared like me. So let's pretend we're alone. And I know you may be scared, and I know we're unprepared, but I don't care. Tell me what makes you think that you are invincible. I can see it in your eyes that you're so sure. Please don't tell me that I'm the only one I could be anyone, anything, and I promise I can be what you need. Tell me what makes you think that you are invincible. I can see it in your eyes as you're so sure. Please don't tell me that I'm the only one that's
Wow. You guys have great voices. I want to play a song now that I wrote the first time I found out I was having a child. It's a very emotional song for me, and I hope it connected to you guys somehow. This song's called A Twist in My Story.
slow down. The world isn't watching us break down. It's safe to say we are alone now. We're alone now. Not a whisper. The only noise is the receiver. I'm counting the seconds until you break the silence. So please just break the silence. And the whispers turn to shouting. The shouting turns to tears. And those tears turn into laughter as we take away our fears. And so you see, this world doesn't matter to me. I'll give up all I had just to breathe. The same air as you till the day that I die. I can't take my eyes off of you. 'Cause I'm longing for words to describe how I'm feeling. I'm feeling inspired. My world just flinched upside down and turned around. Say, what's that sound? Is my heartbeat is getting much stronger. My heartbeat is stronger than ever. I'm feeling so alive. I'm feeling so alive. what you get, and that's what you get. So you see, this world doesn't matter to me. I'll give up all I had just to breathe. The same air as you till the day that I die. I can't take my eyes off of you. This world doesn't matter to me. I'll give up all I had just to breathe. The same air as you till the day that I die. I can't take my eyes off of you.
So I'm going to play a song now that it's a really important song for me. It was the title track of my very first record. And I'm going to have one thing I didn't tell you guys is I'm going to have a few artists come up here and sing with me at some point. And I'm going to have, I want to invite the singer of a band called Discord up here right now and sing a song with me. Look at this. To that. I mean, come on. All right, so we were actually having like an event last night, and I saw their band playing the event, and I was like, they're incredible. And they played this song, so I was like, well, why don't you come up and play the song with me? So we're gonna do a little trade-off with this. The song is called Awake. Just don't wanna miss anything. How are you guys feeling tonight? It means so much that you guys are singing along. Thank you so much. I'm trying real hard not to say I'm biting my tongue, but I'm feeling alive, and with every breath that I take, I feel like I've won. You're my key to survival, and if it's a hero, you know I can say
Listen up here.
Prepared, but yeah, I did not come prepared. But fun fact about Second and Serenade. If I remember correctly, that is, he writes all of his songs, like most. If you say all, you could say all of it, right? So all of his songs for his wife, and the world hears it secondhand. Therefore, Second and Serenade, everybody. And thank you so much for the honor, man.
Oh my gosh, it's such a pleasure. Well, a little spoiler, you can expect him and a few more people to come up later tonight, so. Oh, wow, that was fun. So we just figured this out. I mean, we met him last night. So we just figured this out today, and we never really, we didn't even rehearse that because he just knew the song, so it's incredible. I can't believe you guys know my music. I don't know if I'm home or if I lost my way into your room. I'm spiraling into my doom. I'm feeling half alive, but I know one day you and I will be free to live and die by our own rules. Free, despite the fact that men are fools. I'm almost alive, and I need you to try and save me. It's okay that we're dying, but I need to survive tonight. You guys sound great. Excuse me while I get killed softly. Heart slows down and I can hardly tell you I'm okay. At least till yesterday, you know you caught me off my highest guard. Believe me when I say it's hard. We'll get through this tonight, and I know one day you and I will be free to live and die by our own rules. Free. Despite the fact that men are fools, I'm almost alive, but I need you to try and save me. It's okay that we're dying, but I need to survive tonight. And you touch my hand ever so slightly, and the deadly looks you cast upon me, I won't regret, I won't regret, I won't regret. And I was trying to disappear, but you got me wrapped around you, can hardly breathe without you. Disappear, but I got lost in your eyes.
Stay close, sa kailangan, sa kailangan. Oh, man.
So how's your night so far, Aizal? I just want to point out and give a big round of applause to all the acts that played today. They were all incredible and they were all so inspiring. Some of which you might see again. And that choir, the choir was so incredible. So, I know I've been playing mostly songs off of Awake, but I figured I'd throw something off of Twist in My Story. Yes.
Yes!
I see you. Thank you. In fact, I see all of you. And I see you up there as well. And I see you over there. And I see you right here. Thank you for being my band tonight.